Let's rate some of the Michelin awarded restaurants in the Philippines. This is a long video, so save nyo for reference ha. Helmed by Chef Josh Boutwood is the first 2 Michelin star restaurant in the Philippines. I tried their 12-course tasting menu which is solid 10 out of 10. The menu is seasonal but last time na I visited, mostly mga seafood yung kinain namin. Like ayan, may scallops, poached sea bass. May non-seafood dishes din like itong duck rendered in fat and my fave Australian Wagyu strip loin. Yung ambience a bit intimidating siya because the place is very intimate but the staff is welcoming naman. So we became comfortable then right away. They explain the sourcing and technique in detail so you appreciate every plate talaga. We couldn't get tables so we sat by the counter which turned out to be a better experience kasi the food is prepared right in front of us. Bonus pa to have Chef Josh himself serve our food. 2 years ago the price is 8,800 per head for 12 courses. Pricier than Gallery by Chele or Toyo Eatery but worth it pa rin naman for the overall experience. Speaking of Gallery by Chele, they're awarded with 1 Michelin star and as in deserve. I've been here 3 times na and every time the experience is a 10 out of 10 across the board. I had their 10-course tasting menu and promise mukha lang konti yan but ang dami namin natikman as in inabot pa kami ng 4 hours. Yung food here is fusion ng Filipino ingredients and inspired by Spanish cooking. The menu is also seasonal but I remember enjoying their fired pulpo and corte de flan the most. It's 6,500 pesos per head which for me is sulit siya for the quality of the food. May 1 Michelin star din si Toyo Eatery. I would describe it as parang more relaxed version ng Gallery by Chele. I also had their tasting menu which is 8 courses with more or less 14 different Filipino dishes. During our visit, mostly seafood din yung sinerve sa amin. Wala silang fixed menu kasi paiba-iba siya. Depende siguro sa availability ng ingredients kasi sourced pa yan from all over the Philippines. Tulad niyang talakitok na may rice wine from Ilocos. Ito may crab meat from Cebu. Scallops from Antique na may tublay butter from Benguet. Kilawin na ginamitan ng tabon-tabon from Butuan. Burnt kalabasa soup na may tuyom from Sorsogon. OMG, ang dami pa niyan. One of the most memorable sa akin itong leche flan ice cream na nilagyan ng asin tibuok. Alam niyo ba na isa yan sa mga rarest salt in the world? Shinave siya dun sa ice cream so parang naging salted caramel na yung lasa. Yung service 10 out of 10 din. The servers patiently described to us yung food pati yung best way to eat them. At dahil Pinoy, kinamay namin karamihan sa mga sinerve. Right beside Toyo Eatery is another 1 Michelin star restaurant called Inato. Naligaw ako at first kasi as in ganyan lang kaliit yung sign nila. Wala Japanese yung aesthetic but Bisaya talaga yung Inato which means atin-atin or parang our way, ganon. It's a very small space but we didn't mind because the chefs were very chatty and nice. It felt like a cozy private dinner. We had their bahala na menu kaya siya bahala na kasi yung dishes nila bahala na lang din daw kung ano yung available na seasonal ingredients. Sourced locally and around the world pa yan. We had yellowfin kinilaw, chicharong bulaklak, chicken inihaw, may grilled pork din. And OMG, ang sarap ng dessert na to, may rambutan and santol. Then may patigong pa sa amin na pan de coco from their panaderia. Nakaka-happy yung experience here. 10 out of 10. In my next video, tingnan naman natin yung mga awarded with Michelin Bib Gourmand. Naku, ang dami nang kailangan i-try. Follow me